At the moment, I have two KZ projects going, and the first one is a project I've titled the KZ Revival, and I got a pretty beat up bike from a guy, and I've been restoring it and making videos about my progress. And then I have my KZ900 that I've owned for the last 30 years, and I had some issues with the charging system and decided to address some other problems I was having, like second gear slipping, and I wanted to get the gears back cut while I was in there addressing that. So once I took that engine apart for that, I discovered that my lower case, or the upper case has pins in the recess for the crankcase, and the aluminum right around the pins was cracked, and I didn't really trust that going back into the bike with all the performance work that I'm wanting to do. So I got a 900 engine from a guy, and I cleaned it up, had it powder coated, and I'm putting all of my top end parts onto this 900 lower end. So this is a 900 crank, and I had it inspected and welded, and then I'm taking my cylinders, which I had bored out to an 1105, and my head, which I ported, and I did some polishing on the exhaust side, and that's going to go on this 900. So it's coming along good. Everything's going back together, and it looks good. This engine, when I got it, it was in really ugly shape. I mean, it was dirty, and everything was corroded, and I had a bunch of sludge in the bottom. And now I have it cleaned up, and it's ready to be put together, and I just thought I'd take a video and show what's happening and what I'm doing to it. So that is what this second project is.